Hello and welcome back, Let's Do Video viewers, and welcome to our show, Tony Serpico. Tony, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Tony Serpico. I am the marketing director at Multitaction. I've been with them for a few years now. Great company.
Now, I've had my eye on Multitaction for a few years now because visual collaboration, that's my bag. This is what really gets me excited. But can you tell our viewers what Multitaction is and what your company does?
Yeah, definitely. So basically, our core solutions are built around our displays, our DECA displays, which is our newest version of them. And they feature our patented ClearSight technology. And what ClearSight is it uses machine vision. So essentially, each display contains a powerful array of 32 cameras, and those cameras are actually tracking touch visually of what's happening on the surface of the screen. Some of the things that really make that unique and allow us to do some special things. So unlimited touch points and object recognition. So we can read black and white objects similar to QR codes, and those can be printed and placed on anything, in turn, turning the physical world in interacting with the digital world, right? So we can take advantage of that. Our displays can also be scaled to any size, any configuration. It allows us to create interactive walls of any size. We could do curved walls. We can do right angle setups, things that are impossible with other touch technologies. Even interactive tables with edge-to-edge glass. And that's our hardware side. Now, when we combine that with our software, Canvas and Showcase, it really empowers teams to connect in real time, share and present ideas, solve business problems using live data. Our solutions are used across the board in a bunch of industries. So customer experience and briefing centers, high-end retail, medical training, museums, trade shows, other demanding applications, really just helping enhance the collaboration and engagement. And we have clients all over the world.
That's really cool. You know, I take touch for granted. Touch screens are something we've had for a while. And, but this is kind of exciting to me because, well, first of all, workspace is all about collaboration now. When we go to work, we're going to collaborate with other people. And there's a lot more to touch. I mean, first of all, just multi-touch, you know, more fingers can do more things. That's an advantage. But the QR code thing, I can have a QR code on a business card, walk into a room, slap it down on the table, and the room starts doing stuff. That's cool.
Exactly it. Yeah, we've got them on the back of our business cards. You can launch entire showcases or canvases. You can trigger content, videos, things like that. We've done a lot with 3D printing with that too. So physical objects, being able to launch different content right on the screen without going through a menu.
All right, so you're doing useful, productive stuff, but you're also doing really fun stuff. I'm going to have to visit your lab. But with all these different things you're working on, what are you currently really focused on?
So right now, we've got a heavy focus going on both Canvas and Showcase, really diving into that software. So specifically, we're trying to target a June release for Canvas 3.2, which will include a few new features. That update is going to introduce some basic flow charting capabilities, video backgrounds, and we'll have a preview of our new Canvas viewer. The Canvas viewer will allow users on basically any device to be able to view a Canvas session through a web browser, making it even easier for people to participate no matter where they are or what device they're on. So Canvas itself is really, that's our digital whiteboarding solution or a visual collaboration solution, right? Bringing up multimedia presentations and videos and things like that. And what that does is that gives companies the ability to involve their remote team, give them the ability to share, manipulate, draw, input information with unlimited touch points, pens, objects in real time, just as if they were in that same room. Where Showcase is kind of a different beast. Showcase is a visual presentation software. It allows you to create these very ornate and custom interactive experience that work with those large walls or those tables. And the great thing about Showcase is it's very inviting when it's done. People can walk up, start exploring and touching and discovering content on their own. And Showcase doesn't, it's a no coding language. So it's very user friendly, and we can teach anybody to build it. So that way companies can do it in-house, saving both time and money.
That makes sense. There's two things I want to use my boards for, collaborating with my team, and then once we create something cool, sharing it with the world, presenting. So it makes sense you have these two softwares. Now, you shared a video. Let's share it with our viewers. Can you walk me through what we're looking here? This is Canvas, right?
Yeah, so this is the Canvas 3.2 beta that we're working on. So like I said, hopefully releasing soon. And this is the basic flow charting, right? Allow people to create and manipulate flow charts right in the Canvas environment. Obviously helping with project planning, and workflow visualization. The next will show just a quick clip about some animated backgrounds and video backgrounds. And basically, we got asked for this not only to make Canvas a little more interactive, a little more fun, but this allows people to really go beyond in their branding, right? They can use company videos in the backgrounds. They can use animated logos and things like that. And placing those in the background of a canvas turns it even makes it even more visual, right? More pleasing, more engaging. The last thing that we'll be showing is our Canvas viewer. And Canvas viewer, again, really simply, it's a way to join a session and view a session from a web browser. So that could be on your tablet, that could be on your phone, whatever it may be.
It's funny. I'm such a visual learner. You said Canvas to me 10 times. I have it in my notes here. I'm already Canvas, Canvas, Canvas. And then I watched the video and it clicked. Canvas. Okay. Now I'm on. Now I get it. I feel stupid, right. But I mean, I need to see something to understand it. Canvas.
Definitely.
Now I totally get it. So it looks like we're going to be at InfoComm.
Yes. Yeah, we are going to be at InfoComm this year. And as you mentioned, right, one of the best ways to experience our products, especially our tables, they're so responsive. The unlimited touch is unreal. So the best way to experience it is hands-on. So yeah, we will be there this year.
So yeah, so I think people are watching this and they're saying, okay, there's a million booths at InfoComm. I see the booth number. If I'm going to write it down, what am I going to see? What am I going to get to play with? What are we going to have at the booth to actually? Am I going to multi-touch something?
Yes, we are. We're going to have. So first of all, we'll have our 5x1 curved wall in the back, and that's going to be featuring our Canvas 3.2 software. That will also be connected to a single display table on a height adjustable tilt table. So we'll be able to use that as a control table. Showcasing various applications like project planning, brainstorming sessions, dynamic presentations. And then on the side there, we're going to have a 2x1 table that for the most of the part will be running our Showcase software. And everything on there that you're going to see will have been built using Showcase. And you mentioned having some fun before. There will be some games on there, some fun activities for people to do, but just you'll be able to see how things interact with those CODIS markers and objects. And so it'll be really cool. We'll be doing live demonstrations of the Canvas viewer, allowing attendees to see how that's going to work and how easy it's going to be to be able to join in from any device. Obviously, our whole team will be there. We'll have technical people there and sales there. So people can stop by, check out our stuff, ask questions, get things answered. And just see, where our solutions might fit in their companies or their industries.
Yeah, I think this will be a pretty busy booth because, I think a few years back people might have been when touch was a new thing. Like, yeah, you touch it, I'm going to watch. I think people are going to be walking over and saying, "Let me try."
Definitely.
I'm going to be fighting my way in. I have to get my hand. Literally, I have to get my hands on some of this stuff.
Yeah, I hope to see it for sure.
Well, I'll be there. Well, Tony, thank you so much for being here. Is there anything else our viewers need to know before we let you go?
Definitely stop by the booth if you guys are there. And if you can't make it, go to our website, check out our YouTube page. We've got hundreds and hundreds of videos of, examples of installations and things that have been done with our displays. And if you don't make it and you want to see our stuff in person, give us a shout out, right? On our website, you can go to our demo form and request a personal demo, and I can jump online and do that, or we could set something up in person.
Great. Thank you so much. I'll put the links in the description below for everyone. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in a few weeks at InfoComm.
Great.
Take
Sounds
care,
good.
everyone.
Thank you very much, David.